Ramanujan Maths Academy.
Welcome to Ramanujan Maths Academy. Today we are going to study theorem of areas of similar triangles. It is very easy theorem as well as important theorem. Generally it is asked for 3 to 4 marks in board exam. So let us start. So the statement of theorem is when two triangles are similar, comma, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So here is the figure. Here are two triangles and they are similar with each other, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, अगर आपको एग्जाम में फिगर गिवन है so then okay, if figure is not given in exam then you have to draw their figure. Okay, so अब गिवन में हम क्या लिखेंगे, जो हमें दिख रहा है या हमें जो स्टेटमेंट में गिवन है. Okay, so in statement what we have given that two triangles are similar. Okay, so here we can see triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. So we will write that in given that triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR and AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to QR. Okay, अब यहाँ तक हो गया. अब हम लिखेंगे to prove. Okay, so statement में अगर आप देखेंगे so after the comma the ratio of the areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. This much of part is for proof. Okay, when two triangles are similar, okay, it is given to us. Then what we have to prove? The ratio of areas of those triangles. Okay, those triangles यानी area of triangle ABC to the ratio of area of triangle PQR. इनका रेशो क्या बताना है हमें? Triangle is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Okay, so corresponding sides of triangle ABC and PQR are, see, if we are taking AB then इसकी corresponding sides होगी PQ. Okay, AB की corresponding side से PQ, BC की corresponding sides होगी QR and AC की corresponding sides होगी PR. Okay, so इस तरह से so इनका squares का रेशो हमें इक्वल बताना है. So in to prove we will write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, see here, AB square upon PQ square which is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. So now we will write proof of the theorem. So let us start with the proof. Here is to prove and here is the figure. Okay, so first of all हमें क्या गिवन है, ट्रायंगल ABC और ट्रायंगल PQR are the similar triangles. So first of all we will write that triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. Okay, and it is given. So you have to write reason into bracket. It is given. So if these two triangles are similar, then see this is very important step in this theorem. AB upon BC, sorry, AB upon PQ. See, these are the corresponding sides of these two triangles. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, which is equal to AC upon PR. Okay, and we will denote it by equation star. Okay, and what is the reason? Reason is corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay, CSST, it is for our understanding, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay, now as we know that area of triangle ABC, what is the area of triangle ABC? We know that 1/2 base. Now what is base? Here it is BC into height. Height is AD. Okay, so 1/2 base into height. Next, area of triangle PQR. So इसका एरिया क्या मिलेगा? 1/2. What is base here? It is QR and height is PS. Okay, so now when we take its ratio, we get area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle PQR. It is equal to, now see यहाँ पर 1/2 cancel out हो जाएगा. Then what will be remainder? BC into AD upon QR into PS. Okay, so we will rub this part, okay, as it was for our understanding only. So I will write it here, this step again. Area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR is equal to, so I can write this BC upon QR, writing it separately, into AD upon PS. Okay, and it is our equation number 1. So हमें यहाँ पर equation 1 मिल गई. Okay, so after equation 1, here if you observe, in triangle ABD, let us write it, in triangle ABD and in triangle PQS. Okay, agar if you observe these two triangles, what you get, that angle B is equal to angle Q, isn't it? And it is given. It is given thing. And one more thing is that angle ADB and PSQ are right angle triangle. So let us write that angle ADB is equal to angle PSQ, which is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so what we get here, that in triangle ABD and in triangle PQS, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle ADB and angle PSQ are same, that is they are 90 degree. So from these two things we can write, hence by angle test, hence by angle test we can write triangle ABD is similar with triangle PQS. ओके, और अगर ट्रायंगल ABD सिमिलर है ट्रायंगल PQS के साथ, सो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, देयरफॉर AD अपॉन PS विच इज इक्वल टू AB अपॉन PQ. ओके, और ये हो गया हमारा इक्वेशन नंबर 2. ओके, सो नाउ equation 1 we got, now equation 2, when we chose two triangles, that is ABD and PQS. Now we are up to equation 2, but triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. Okay, therefore from this we can write AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, and it is our equation number 3. Equation 1. Okay, what we have from equation 1? Here it is, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR into AD upon PS. Okay, so now what we will do, we will replace this AD upon PS with BC upon QR. और इसको किस तरह रिप्लेस करेंगे, वी हैव इक्वेशन 2 एंड इक्वेशन 3 है ना, हमारे पास इक्वेशन 2 है और इक्वेशन 3 है. सो व्हाट इज इक्वेशन 2? इक्वेशन 2 इज दैट वैल्यू ऑफ AD अपॉन PS इज AB अपॉन PQ. ओके, एंड देन इन इक्वेशन 3 वैल्यू ऑफ AB अपॉन PQ इज BC अपॉन QR. ओके, सो we will replace this AD upon PS with BC upon QR. So we get, therefore, area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR into BC upon QR. Okay, so which is equal to BC square upon QR square. Okay, so now if you observe again from equation 2 and 3, so what we can write from equation 2 and 3? From 2 and 3 we get, what we get, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Okay, now we have reached until here. See, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, which is equal to, so what we have, BC square upon QR square is equal to AB square upon PQ square, and which is equal to AC square upon PR square. Okay, now by equation star, that is corresponding sides of similar triangles. In the very first step we had written this AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, and hence the proof.
Thank you for watching रामानुजन मैथ्स अकेडमी। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन प्रेस कीजिए। लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर।